Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to make a mold today and I'm going to use the Bond Craftor silicone rubber kit that I got from them. Right now I'm going to go ahead and put some UV resin in the little tiny holes of this charm that I have. You know, I don't want the silicone going in there and making a complete circle and then I'll have to cut it and it'll be a mess. So fill any holes you have with some UV resin is just the perfect solution for that. I'm out of Bond Craftor resin, or UV resin, so I have to use this brand I think I got from Hobby Lobby. But anyway, I'm going to finish doing this and we'll get started making that amazing mold. Okay, it's done. I got all of the little areas UV'd that I needed done. I even coated the back really well. And let's get this mold made. I like using cups for small stuff because I'm not going to have any leaks. And there's nothing worse than having a silicone rubber leak, especially if you don't have nothing else to put it in. Bondcraftor sent me their silicone rubber for mold making, 16 ounces. And it comes with part B, part A, some gloves, a couple stir sticks, these cups, some instructions, and these little beads. Alright, we're going to measure it by weight. Although it says you can, measure it by volume. But you can make a picking pad. I honestly don't know what that is. But, if you do that, you must. You must know what that is. I do not know what it is. Maybe you sit there and pick the beads off. Maybe it's fun. I'm not sure. Get my scale. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I'm not gonna need very much, honestly. So let's mix up. Turn my scale on. I can't really see because of the glare. Here we go. Okay. Let's mix up. Oh, it's way enough, I think. Oh, I'm sure. Okay, there's 16 of B. Now we'll measure out 16 of A. Oh, I made way too much. Oh my gosh. Okay. Believe it or not, I have the instructions. I'm shocked myself. Okay. Mix A and B clockwise along the cup wall and bottom for 3 to 5 minutes. Ooh. You can also add mica powder to make your favorite mold color. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna do that, but oh, clockwise? I guess that's clockwise. Scrape your sides. I'm making bubbles. I'm trying not to. You wait 3 to 6 hours for demold at room temperature. So I'll probably wait till morning and then we'll get this out and then I'll pour something. I'll probably put some chameleon powders or something in there or something. Hopefully them like stones will be there. I think I'm gonna try to wipe them off really good, really quick so they're shiny. Because I've had that thing a long time. And I don't know if, yeah, I'm stirring it every which way. I'm left-handed, I can't help it, I'm more comfortable. This is how I stir my resin. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit here for a minute while I clean my hands off. I probably should have scrubbed it really well with the toothbrush and stuff before, but I think it's still good. be just fine. Don't you? Okay. The liquid silicone must be at least 0.25 inches above the item. So, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut my cup so I'm not pouring from 10 feet up. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. I wanna make sure I have plenty of room. Oh, toot. Yeah, that thing. Didn't think about that. I wonder if I could tape up one side of it. Think that would work? I mean, because if all I had to do was pop a hole through it with my Dremel, it would be great. But, I could cut that whole piece off, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that because, you know, I might want to use this, so. Okay, now let's try this again. I'm gonna pour it slow and try to get it all over everything. Use a hot gun to lightly sweep the surface. Let's see, needle or toothpick can be used to guide bubbles in complex textures. Vacuum machine extracts air. Oh. Maybe I'll put it in the vacuum chamber for a minute. Hopefully it don't explode. Okay. Just got it out of the vacuum chamber. I think I'm gonna scoot it over though a little. Make sure it's got plenty of room. Perfect. Okay guys, I think that is awesome. So, I'm just gonna cover that like that. All right guys. Sweet, I can't wait to make something with that. I hope it turns out great. See you in a little while. Bye. Okay, I got the back cut away. Hope I did it. Okay, job. Ooh. Okay, I don't have any resin mixed up. I think I'm gonna try some UV resin in here and see what I get. So, I've got some peach from Let's Resin, only because I'm out of Bondcraftor. I mean, I literally don't have nothing else, just some of this colored, and I didn't want to use it all. Okay, I think I got it all. It's hard to grab anything in these gloves. Oh, maybe that's just there. Oh, nope, there's a bubble. Okay, I'm gonna give this a tiny torch, and then we'll see what we get. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna let that do its thing for a few minutes on each side, and then I'll be back. Okay, let's go ahead and let's check this out. I still might need to cure it a little better on the other side. I'm going to just for a second. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I see the sparkle in there. See that? Okay, I'm gonna keep it upside down and keep it clean. What do you think of my gloves? No, I'm not wearing these for fun. They're too big and But I don't have very many pairs of the other ones, and I gotta make it till Friday, and it's only Tuesday, so. Okay. Okay, I could have done a little better making sure I got that in there. So I might try to clip that off and add one of my bales to it. You know, I can glue a bale onto the back. But it got every bit of the detail that I wanted it to get. So I'm super happy. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I love it. I'm gonna put glitter in one right now. So let's try that. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I can get in that little one part a little better. Okay, let's use some of my, I got some like green color we're gonna try. So let's get some of this in here. You know, my tape really didn't stay on very well on the back of that round part. Okay, let me grab some glitter and sprinkle it. I don't need much at all. You can make a mold of whatever you want, you know what I mean? It's pretty darn cool. I wasn't gonna make another mold of my Snoopy that I had, but I saw this and knew I hadn't been using it, and I want to use it, you know what I mean? So I'll be able to now that I can make little copies of it, and I like that a lot. I think I'm squished down in there enough. All right, guys, let's cure that before that keeps moving around on me. All right, let's check this out real quick. Probably gonna have to cure it on the other side again. Oh, yes. And I got it all. Yay. I really thought I messed up the mold and didn't do it right, or cut off that little extra piece. But nice, it got all of it. It's so pretty. Look at the shine. Whoops. Anyway, I'm so happy with that. Love it. I could even color the little diamonds gold. I don't know if it would still reflect at that point, but awesome, guys. Got my little hook even. I'm gonna have to drill a hole through it with my Dremel, but, or you could do it with one of them twisty things, you know. Anyway, awesome. Bond Craftor silicone rubber. Mold making. Works great. Hope you guys have an extraordinary day. Be creative, everyone. I'm going to post a picture, and probably not of this one because you know, it's got the broken piece. But I'll post one of this and this side by side so you can see them. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. See ya.